Good morning, students. Today I'm taking the practical. I want to teach you with the practical. In the chapter 3rd, we have studied about the learn more about the Windows XP, and today how we can open the Window Explorer. First, you have to click the start button, then click the all programs. After that, click accessories, and here you can see Windows Explorer. Okay, when it will open, now you can see it will be like this. Now, viewing contents of the file or folder, how we can view on the files, and after that the contents which are kept in that particular folder or file. Now you have to click here. There are two options providers to do this work. First, you can see here the C program is there, C drive is there. Click single, then the files or folder will open here. Next, after single click on the drive, okay, if I will click this drive, the files or folder will come. Now again I am going here, C drive. Now what we have to do, and suppose this is opened here, then we have to double click on that folder, then again all the files or contents will be in the screen. Here how we can create a new folder. You have to click new folder, and the new folder will be a name of new folder. Next process, renaming a file or folder. This file is here, this folder. Now I want to put the record of the books, so I have given the name books record. Books records. After creating this folder, now I can put all the records of the books of the list in this folder. Now next process, suppose I want to copy this folder from this place to another place, then what I have to do, first I have select this folder, it is selected. Now I have to click right button of the mouse. Now here you can see the copy command. If you will select the copy option, it will be copied. And suppose you want to move this file folder here, then I have to paste it. Now you can see here the same folder or file will come to next place. This is the folder which I have copied from that place. Now next moving a file or folder. Now here is that folder. Now I want to move this file, so once again I have to right click and cut option. I have selected. Now this folder you can see I am going to move this file or folder in the desktop. After moving this folder automatically deleted from that old place and it is in new place. So this type we can move the file or folder from one place to another place. Next, deleting a file or folder. How we can delete a file or folder? We have to select the folder first and right click, then here delete option is there. After clicking right option, the options will come and press delete key. It will ask, do you want to delete it from the drive or from the any folders? Then you have to give commands yes. Then after that the selected file will be deleted. Next, my dear students, I want to say you once again, we have seen how we can create a file folder, then viewing contents of a file or folder, then we have seen creating a new folder, then renaming a file or folder, how we can rename the name of the file or folder, then how we can copy one file or folder from one place to another place, that also we have seen. And after that, how we can move the file or folder from one place, and after moving the file or folder, the file will be deleted from the old place and it will be copied in new place. And one more thing we have seen, delete option, delete file or folder. After deleting the files or folders will delete from the selected file or folder. Thank you, my dear students.